Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Senestar Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English language of class 4. So, as we have done with part 1 and part 2 of chapter number 6, which is adjective. Today we are going to do part 3 of this chapter. We have done with adjective and its kind, or you can say its types. Yes. Types of adjective, and we have done with 2-3 exercises which were related to that topic. Now you have degrees of comparison. Which topic we are going to learn today? It is degrees of comparison. It is given on page number 45. Okay, degree of comparison. What is degree of comparison? Sometimes what happened, we used to describe or you can say we used to compare two person or two things through an adjective. Okay, so there we use degrees of comparison. Okay, when we are comparing things or person, there are 3 degrees. Number 1 is positive degree. Positive degree. Number 2 is comparative degree. Comparative degree. And third one is superlative degree. Superlative degree. So first is positive degree. What we do in positive degree? In positive degree, in comparison, what we do, we describe only one person or one thing normally. Like, he is a good boy. He is a good boy. Okay. Now, number 2 we have number 2 comparative degree. He is better than him. He is better than him. Now what we do in comparative degree? In comparative degree we compare two person or things with each other. Okay. What was here? He is a good boy. In comparative, he is better than him. He or him को compare किया. Or you can say Raj is a good boy. Ram is better than Raj. यहाँ पे Raj is a good boy and here Ram is better than Raj. That means कौन ज़्यादा अच्छा हुआ? Ram. Yes. Superlative degree. Superlative degree when we compare more than two person or thing together. Then we use superlative degree. Like Tejas is the best boy in the class. Ram is a good boy. Sorry, Raj is a good boy. Ram is better than Raj. And Tejas is the best student in the class. Now I am giving you one example. Now see this pencil. Okay. This is a long pencil. This is a, you can say large. Okay, this is a large pencil. This pencil is large. This pencil is larger than this one. Now this one. Now we are comparing this one with these two. Okay, this pencil is the largest pencil. Okay. This pencil is the largest pencil. Now you can say by the name. See, HP2 is a large pencil. Natraj pencil is larger than HB. And Gold, Apsara Gold is the largest pencil. Okay. When we are describing only one, we are saying large. When we are comparing two pencils with each other, we are using larger comparative degree. And when we comparing one thing with two or more than two, that there we are using superlative degree, largest. So one thing is also clear, as you can see, large, larger and largest. Now you are watching it ER and EST, EST and ER. That means when we are using comparative degree, we add ER in the last of that adjective. Good become better, large become larger, large becomes larger, and see here, good becomes best, EST, and large becomes largest, EST. That means when we have to write superlative degree of any adjective, we have to add EST in the last of that adjective. Okay. Positive, comparative and superlative. Now see these words, these adjectives. Number 3, famous, and number 4, important. Now, when we make comparative or superlative degree of these adjectives, then see what happened. Beautiful, it can't be beautifuler or beautifulest. Have you ever heard this? No. I am telling you why. It will become more beautiful in comparative, and in superlative it will become most beautiful. Most beautiful. Okay. Now, why we are adding more and most beautiful, most and more? Why we haven't added ER and EST? Okay. So there is one rule to learn, that where we have to use or with which adjective we have to use more or most. We must learn how to read a syllable. Okay, what are syllable? Syllable are sounds of vowel A, E, I, O, U. Okay, sometimes we used to read with word in, with vowel sound. एंड वाई को वॉवल साउंड में तभी पढ़ा जाता है जब वो इन वॉवल्स में तब आता है जब वो उनके साउंड के साथ, इन वॉवल्स के साउंड के साथ एंड होता हो. लाइक वर्ड्स फ्लाई, आई, यस, स्काई एंड क्राई और ड्राई. सो आई का साउंड आ रहा है लास्ट में व्हेन वी आर रीडिंग दीज वर्ड्स. सो in this case I also sounds like, Y also sounds like vowel sound. Okay, so we must know how to read a syllable in an adjective. Now see these adjectives. Good, would, एक word, one syllable. Yes, एक vowel sound आ रहा है, good. Now read this word, read, E. Yes, and tall, tall, or yes, tall, and bad, एक sound, yes. So these are one syllable. जो one syllable होता है, then what we do, we add er in comparative degree and we add est in superlative degree. But if the syllable is more than one, or more than one or more than two, then we use more and most. Okay, while we are changing them into comparative degree and superlative degree, we add more and most with them. Like interesting, interesting, three times, three syllable, three vowel sound आ रहे हैं. Interesting, yes, three vowel sound आ रहे हैं. That means three syllables are there. For that, what do? We will add more. When we write its comparative degree, we will add more into it. More interesting. And when we make it, when we write its superlative form, we will add most with it. Most interesting. Yes. Now read the word famous. 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 Us. ठीक है. U का sound and A का sound. That means more famous. Two syllable है. So more famous and most famous. Yes. Important. Important. Three syllable. Three vowel sound. That means we have to add more. More important and most important. Got it? So that's the reason why we don't add er and est with these adjectives when we are making their comparative or superlative form. Got it? Okay. So this was the method. This was the method how we convert an adjective into its comparative or its superlative degree. Now you must know about it, where you have to use comparative degree and where you have to use superlative degree. As I have already told you, that when we are comparing two things or two persons with each other, then we use which adjective form? Comparative degree. Okay. And when we are comparing one thing with two or more than with two or more person or with things, then we use superlative degree of adjective. Now see these two examples. My house is, okay, here we have to use adjective big. My house is dash big than yours, and this book is the dash. Interesting is the adjective which we have to fill. Interesting book I have ever read. Yes. So see, my house is dash than yours. Comparison किनके बीच में हो रहा है? My house and yours house. That's mean between two. That means we have to use comparative degree, and what will be the comparative degree of big? Big. Only one syllable is there. That means we have to add er, bigger. Yes, my house is bigger than yours. And one more important thing, you can recognize by than, that it is a comparative degree adjective. You have to fill comparative degree adjective when than is there after the blank. Got it? Now look, see the second one. This book is the dash interesting book I have ever read. This book is the I have ever read. That's mean आज तक उसने जितनी बुक्स पढ़ी है, that's mean हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं this book की. That's mean here we have to write superlative degree of interesting. So interesting, 3 syllable are there. That's mean we have to use most. We will write most interesting. We will not add est in the last. And one more important thing, how you will recognize that you have to fill superlative degree in the blank. Before the blank there will be the, because as I have told you that whenever we are writing a superlative degree, before that we use the. I have taught you when I was teaching you articles, yes, that before superlative degree we write the. Got it? So this, okay, so now we will do exercise 6E, which is given on page number 46. Okay, write the comparative and superlative form of the following adjectives. We have given positive, okay, positive degree of these adjectives. We have to write their comparative and superlative form. So write number one. Number one is pretty. Pretty, E, only one syllable is there. That's mean we have to add ER and EST. Prettier and prettiest. Okay. Number two is hot. Hot, only one syllable. That's mean we have to add ER and EST. Hotter, hottest. Number three, hard. Hard, one syllable is there. That's mean harder and hardest. Okay. Number four is happy. Happy, one syllable. That's mean it will become happier, and in superlative it will become happiest. Okay. Now come to number 5 is wise. 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 One syllable. Wiser. And in superlative it will become wisest. Okay. Now come to number 6. It is good. I have already given you an example. Good will become better in comparative and best in comparative, superlative. So this is number 1 to 6. Number 7. Number 7 is tall. Only one syllable is there. That's mean tall will become taller in comparative and tallest in superlative. Number 8. Number 8 we have beautiful. Beautiful, I have given an example. Beautiful. 3 syllables are there. Beautiful, that's mean we will add more in comparative. It will become more beautiful. And in superlative we will add most before it. Most beautiful. Okay. Number 9. Number 9 we have much. 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 Only one is there. Okay. Sorry. One syllable is there. That's mean more and most. ये एक्सेप्शन है, ये इसके फॉर्म होते हैं, ठीक है, गुड की तरह. जैसे गुड का बेटर और बेस्ट से कोई स्पेलिंग नहीं मैच करता, वैसे ही मच का मोर और मोस्ट से नहीं मैच करता. सो बिग, only one syllable is there, that's mean bigger, and in superlative it will become biggest. Biggest. Number 11. Number 11 is difficult. Difficult. 3 syllable. Difficult, that means we have to add more. In comparative it will become more difficult, and in superlative we will add most difficult. Okay. Number 12 is sweet. One syllable is there, that means sweeter. It will become sweeter in comparative, and sweetest in superlative. Okay. Number 13 is famous. 2 syllable is there. That means we have to add more. In comparative it will become more famous, and most in superlative, so it will become most famous. Number 14 is many, more, and most. This you have to. Okay, number 15 we have interesting. 3 syllable are there, 3 vowel sound are there in one word. That means we will add more before it, so it will become more interesting. And in superlative it will become most interesting. Number 6 is bad. So it will become bad, worse, WORS, worse, and worst. It is similar like good, ना? Good का भी जैसे better और best से कोई combination नहीं होता, वैसे 16 नंबर words का bad का भी worse और worst से कोई combination नहीं होता है. This you have to learn. Okay. Important. Next is important. Number 17 we have important. Important. 3 syllable are there. That means we have to add more. Then it will become more important, and it will become most important in superlative. Okay. Number 18 is large. Yes, large. One syllable, that means larger, and largest. Number 19 is lovely. One syllable, that means it will become lovelier, and loveliest. Okay. Number 20 is charming. 2 syllable. That means it will become more charming, comparative, and superlative it will become most charming. Number 21 we have far. 1 syllable, and it is further and farther. We can write farther, then farthest. Okay, दूर, और दूर, बहुत दूर. And old. Only 1 syllable is there. That means it will become older in comparative and oldest in superlative. So we have done with this exercise. Now you know how to fill degree of comparison. So you have to do exercise 6F, which is given on page number 47, and exercise 6G, which is given on page number 48. Now you all know very well that how to fill and how to fill degree of comparison. So you have to do exercise 6F and exercise 6G yourself. I will share the picture of these pages in the group. So we have done with this chapter. Thank you. Have a good day.